Yes, sir. Oops. Yo, look at this Volkswagen. This is great. Sheesh. Look at that, look at that. Bike chain right there for the cup holder.
Enemy.
That's cool. Yeah, nice. Rusty.
You could be Rihanna, I could be your umbrella. Oh no love, oh no, no better. We can have a ball all day, Cinderella.
Mode right here. Awesome. Size. Yes, sir. This is awesome. Gold right here. Yes, sir. So cool. So rare. Yes, sir. Here, let me get the interior of this right quick. They got Cardinals thing on the front. I mean, on the hood. Motor. Yes, sir. Love it. Cardinals fans. AZ repping. Yes, sir. Got ourselves a super clean Ferrari. Oh, it doesn't look like an 812. It looks like a F12. I'm probably completely wrong on that. One of my favorite shaped Ferraris, though, hands down. Yes, sir. And a Porsche GT3 RS. He finna start it. Yes, he is. Gotta show some love to the classics, the retros. This thing is in perfect condition. Camaro down to the T. Chevy Camaro.
Let's go check over there.
Okay, hold on. Let me get the engine. Oof. Nice seats in there. It looks rude. Yeah, y'all drunk off of pop. Y'all drunk off of popcorn. Audi actually sounds pretty nice. Nice big body bins. Yes, sir. A quick look at the Z01, the Huracan, and the Hellcat. Gotta show love for the Hellcat. Yeah. Clean Z01. Make sure I sneak around here. Yes, sir. Super nice. Doesn't have the Z01 spoilers. You know what I'm talking about? The 2018 Huracan here. We got carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber little bumper. I was thinking that's forged carbon fiber, but I think it's just dirty. See the engine. Look, is it forged?
No, we're not leaving yet.
Y'all want to go? These are V10s. The bigger brothers, the Aventador has the V12. Show some love to the red eye. What? I actually haven't seen someone take the cat badge and make it blue, so that's real cool. Carbon fiber throughout it. Oh, he has a blue racing shirt. A red stripe, okay. That's new. Car, wide body. No, I love that. Sitting on, what are those, Nittos? Look like Nittos. I love it. So, that's really cool. 350Z. Woo. Awesome, man. Dark Horse. I see this. I guess I don't get this. Good old Beamer V10. How often you come across that? M5 with a V10? And it's a manual? Wow, I'm impressed, man. I didn't even know they made V10 Beamers, man. Other than the M6 competition, it's a clean Beamer too. I've been wanting to record the seatbelts. Oh yeah, you got aftermarket, you got racing seats in here. Also, look at this nice Beamer, the red guy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The clean bins right here. Red seats, red guts. What is this? What is it? Sexy. That's cool. What is that? Oh my gosh. Porsche. With the gold rims too.
That's nice.
That's what I'm saying. Rentec AMG SL63. I think that I need to do my research. SL63s maybe be quick, right? Quick walk around of this nice Toyota with Guatemalan plates. Man, that Porsche is so sexy. I hear the turbos just spooling from here. Sounds crazy. MR sounds crazy. Hold on. I know it's not the TRD Camry making all this noise. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Wide body bolt on. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, hit that shit, man. Get your fucking shit. Hey, leave that shit all you want. Oh, yeah, she got carbon fiber splitter. See what rims he's sitting on. He's sitting on Rays, and I'm a huge fan of Rays. 6 spokes too. I approve completely. Look at that carbon fiber steering wheel. It's nice, man. I like it. I like it. Big wing, carbon fiber wing too. Sheesh. Carbon fiber all the way down to the socks. Sheesh. I think those are 2 different anime girls. Ooh, color shift on that. Ecutech Tomb. Okay, okay. I like it. I like it. Yeah, nice purple Porsche that just pulled up. Yes, sir. Big wing. Whoo, big carbon fiber wing. Look at that mounting too right there. This is crazy. The whole kit go wild, man. I love it. I love it. Roll cage and everything. Quick walk around of a purple GT3 RS. Pretty nice.
They just kind of Oh, really? Yeah, they're the ones. This is their car.
Yes, sir. Automatic, but he does have the paddle shifters. Of course he does. Carbon fiber spoiler too. Yeah, Porsche on top. 3RS on bottom. Brand spanking new.